In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document before sending it in Docusign. Whether you're just getting started with electronic signatures or looking to streamline your document workflow, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is recognized as the leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. You'll find it incredibly user-friendly with a comprehensive set of tools to manage your document signing process efficiently. Once you're on the website, the first thing you'll need to do is log in. So go ahead, look for the login button and click on it. If you don't already have an account, you might want to create one since it's essential for signing and sending documents through Docusign. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is your main hub for all document activities. From here, your next move is to click on the Start button. You should see it prominently displayed, and it signifies the beginning of the document preparation process. By clicking on it, you're taking the first step towards sending your documents for signing. Now it's time to add the necessary details to the document you intend to send. This includes specifying the recipients, adding any message you'd like them to see, and setting any reminders if needed. It's crucial to ensure all the information is correct at this stage because this is what your recipient will see upon opening the document. Take your time and make sure everything is exactly as you want it. After you've thoroughly entered all the details, you'll want to proceed to the Next button. This action transitions you to the next stage of adding fields to your document. It's an easy click of a button, but represents moving deeper into the Docusign process. When you click Next, you are prompted to add critical interactive fields to your document, and one of the most important fields, of course, is the signature field. Now let's focus on adding that signature field. Among the many options for fields, locate and select the signature choice, click on it and then position it where necessary on your document. This action enables you not only to sign your document, but also to ensure that your recipients have a clear spot to sign once they receive the document. And there you have it, a straightforward way to sign before sending a document in Docusign. By following these steps, you'll efficiently manage your documents, ensuring they are appropriately signed before going out. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has made your document signing process with Docusign a lot smoother. Happy signing!